YouTube was popping. It's the boy Filmo Trev back with another video, and this is gonna be my first time posting a POV video. So be sure to support me, like, share, subscribe, do all that stuff, and let me know what y'all think of this video. I'm nervous, but if y'all like it, let me know. If you want me to change anything, drop in the comments. Support me. It's my first time doing a POV video, but check it out and let's get this thing, okay? Like, subscribe, all that shit. But we're gonna get right into this video right now. Let's go.
Follow Filmo Trev. 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 Let's go.
What up, YouTube? What it do? What it do? What it do? I thought I'd give y'all a quick little POV video of me driving right now. I don't know what the hell they doing. That's crazy. Bad place to be in. Bad place to be in. But how y'all doing? It's been a minute since I've done a POV video. Actually, to be real with y'all, this is my first POV video that I'm actually gonna post. Quite nervous, but you know, hopefully y'all enjoy the ride and enjoy the sounds of the cat as we turn around these corners, bending corners. You dig? But yeah, this is the cat right now. Right now, I got it on auto. I ain't got it in sport mode. If y'all want me to put it in sport mode, the next video, I will. You know what I mean? This is the first time doing it, so you know what I mean? First time. But yeah, let me know what y'all want to see in these videos, and I'll do it. If y'all want me to be in sport mode, track mode, whatever mode y'all want me to be in throughout the whole video, I'll do it for y'all. Just make sure y'all like and subscribe and, you know, share the content. It's been a minute, y'all. Right now I'm coming down the hill from being over at Twin Peaks. You know what I mean? Coming down the hill. Yeah. I low-key want to play some music for y'all, but I can't. I'm going to figure it out, though. Don't trip, y'all. I'm going to figure out how to play some good music for y'all. Try to, at least. Get some ambient lighting in this motherfucker. You know what I mean? Some dope ass lighting. That way y'all can see everything in the car. So if you ain't never been to San Francisco, I don't know why the fuck they honking at me. This is the legendary Castro to the right. Heading over here on Market Street in Castro, gonna cross Castro. You know what I mean? Quick little vibe video. There we go. There we go. Left or right, y'all? Y'all pick. Right. Come on, car. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Let's go. Let's go. So yeah, let me know what y'all want to see. You know what I mean? Try to give y'all some quality content as I'm driving around. As y'all see right now, I got the 800 on, the 807 on right now. And we having some cool vibes. Some real cool vibes. You dig? But people are driving slow as hell right now, so we're gonna try to fix that. Come on, y'all. try to open it up in 1 second for y'all so y'all can really see. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. I swear I do. Hey, Lee motherfucker, holding up this video. Yeah, I'm gonna put some ambient light in here for sure, for sure. Some real fly ambient light. It's gonna light up this whole thing. It's gonna be saucy once I get that ambient light. Oh yeah, this thing gonna be a beast. Should I put stars in the car, y'all? Let me know. Should I add stars? Add some fly stars in here. You know what I mean? All I need is a pretty little lady sitting right there next to me. Some saucy. Who is this behind me? I don't like that. Oh, what we got right here? Oh, he ain't got no badging. I don't think he a Hellcat though, y'all. We're gonna find out though, cause I'm gonna step on this gas. Step on this pedal in about 5 seconds, y'all. Well, we got a biker passing. That's a fly picture though. Gotta figure out what the thumbnail gonna be. Wah, 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 wah. Bending corners. So y'all gotta let me know which y'all want the next video to be. Y'all gotta let me know if y'all want to see more POV videos of me and the Hellcat driving in the city. Y'all want to see the Bay Bridge lit up? Y'all want to see the Golden Gate Bridge lit up? Let me know. You know what I mean? Take y'all on a spin. Look at this man looking at my car. Don't look at my car like that, boy. Don't look at my car like that, boy. Take off on you, boy. Yeah. I definitely need to add some crazy flow masters to this. Or should I not? Y'all gotta let me know. Y'all hear the whine. Should I add some more crazy ass exhaust? Some double pipes or something? Oh, don't race me, dog. I got you. Hey, buddy. Come here.
Sir?
Do me a favor. Don't buy no fucking drugs here.
Okay.
All right?
Yes, sir.
Blessings.
God bless you too.
Always try to do a good deed, y'all. Always try to do something. Anything to help somebody else out. Boom, 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 boom. Matter of fact, I should give y'all a tour of the city. So this is Ophel Theaters right here. So, hold on, let me see if I can show y'all a better view of it. This right here is Ophel Theaters right here. This theater right here, y'all can't see the women on this little thingy right there, Ophel Theaters right there. This used to be a popping spot, like all the crazy pimps, the baddest prostitutes, all of that was in there back in the day. One day I'm gonna buy that building and I'm gonna turn it into a fire strip club. One day. Yeah, I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna buy this whole fucking building. Crazy strip club. Ah! But you know what, y'all? What is this, 10-minute video? It's 10 minutes. Let me know what y'all think. If y'all want more content like this, let me know. If y'all don't want more content like this, let me know. Drop in the comments what y'all think, you know? Whatever y'all want to see, whatever y'all want, I'm going to do it. All right? Just trying to give y'all better quality content, okay? So, yeah. Like, share, subscribe, all that good shit. Ooh, hold on, we got hoes. Hold on, we got hoes. Hi, hoes. We got bitches. Motherfuckers looking at shit crazy. Get out the fucking road, dog. But yeah, like, share, subscribe, y'all. We out.
Yo, if you're seeing this video right now, that means you don't have YouTube Premium. Well, guess what? That means you can subscribe to my YouTube channel right now where I'm doing some fly, cool stuff. So subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. I got some lifestyle, living in the Bay Area, dating advice. Not really, because my dating life is horrible. But yo, I got a lot of stuff coming on. So check me out, Filmo Trev. Subscribe. Click the link right there. Give me a thumbs up.